Hello YouTube, I was gonna do a video today, but this was gonna be my first one. Too bad. There's lightning. Sadly. Can't see anything yet. I think it might have gone further away. Not quite sure. I'm not sure at all. Plus my phone is warm. I feel like this is a bad idea. But this is Klamath Falls, Oregon. I have never seen a thunderstorm this bad. So, really amazing that it's actually here. Hopefully I don't get struck by lightning. On my top floor, I live in it, on it. Yeah. I feel like I'm screwed if something happens. Especially if lightning strikes really close. Yeah. I might do a video, I'm not sure. Maybe. Oh, I might do a duplication glitch, I'm not sure. But that would be all for Minecraft on Xbox Edition. And if you don't have Xbox Live, you're not gonna be able to get it online till they release the DVD, the disc for it. Yeah. Really hope I don't get struck by lightning. Hopefully. I'm only a junior high student. 7th grade. 13-year-old. Also, if you guys want to get like Far Cry 3, I'm selling it for $30. I'm not sure about Assassin's Creed 2 anymore. Far Cry 3 looks pretty new, where is it? Dang it. It wasn't that hard to complete. Oh shoot. Well, lightning struck, hold on. You might be able to hear it in the background, I'm not sure. All I know is that I could feel it and hear it. Feel like the vibrations on the floor. Oh, crap. Shit. I feel like it's a really bad idea, though. Fuck me. Fuck me if I die. That'll be my fault. Yeah, this is Klamath Falls, Oregon. Hopefully I don't die. Still got so much to live for. That's it for today, I guess. See ya.